Good morning. Today is Tuesday, March 22nd, 2016. Our pillar of character this month is citizenship. Ariana S. is a good citizen when she helps her mom clean her room. Thank you, Ariana. Here's the Golden Heart announcement of the day, submitted by Olivia J. Bobby showed his Golden Heart when he sent Olivia a picture of their spelling test. Thank you, Bobby, for your Golden Heart. Please quietly stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing. You may be seated quietly, please. Today we celebrate the Citizenship Pillar of Character. Students who are good citizens cooperate with each other. They try to make their school and community a better place. They obey rules and laws. Good citizens take their right to vote seriously. They learn about the candidates in office for election. Students were nominated to represent their classes as very good citizens. We are going to recognize them here today and find out what they do to show us that they are good citizens. Let's find out.
Bella Shanklin LaRosa. Bella has excellent play skills and is a leader in imaginative play. She has good social skills during snack and morning activities. Bella is always kind and polite to our buddy readers. Thank you, Bella. Caden Henning. Caden respectfully pledges the flag every day. He does not intrude into other students' space. Caden cleans up his materials so his classroom stays neat. Thank you, Caden. Aiden Gantz. Aiden takes pride in his classroom, putting things away. He listens to both sides of a class vote and goes with the outcome, even if it was not his choice. Aiden always says the Pledge of Allegiance politely and respectfully. Thank you, Aiden. Alberto Paz Carrasco, Christopher Mauger, and Marina Juarez Marquez. Alberto, Christopher, and Marina take care of the classroom. They pick up trash without being asked, and they return supplies to the proper place. Christopher, Marina, and Alberto follow school and classroom rules. They know the rules exist to keep everyone safe and happy. Marina, Alberto, and Christopher say the Pledge of Allegiance and sing patriotic songs respectfully. They are proud of their community and their country. Thank you, Marina, Christopher, and Alberto. Noor Aljuja and Sean Rawls. Noor and Sean always follow our classroom and school rules. Whenever they borrow classroom supplies, they always treat them with respect and return them how they got them. Sean and Noor are always honest and trustworthy. Thank you, Sean and Noor. Aubrey Sager. Aubrey is very helpful to her classmates when they need it. She is also the first one to give a compliment when someone is doing well. or give encouraging support when someone needs to feel better. Aubrey is a terrific role model both in and out of class. Thank you, Aubrey. Aditya Avutu and Valeria De Leon. Aditya and Valeria are respectful when other people are talking. They both help other students and are cooperative. Valeria and Aditya listen to the ideas of others and are willing to compromise. Thank you, Valeria and Aditya. Diana Deliva and Natalia Roslazli. Diana and Natalia keep their desks organized and tidy. They always do their homework and complete daily lessons. Natalia and Diana have golden hearts and follow the school rules. Thank you, Natalia and Diana. Xavier Toast and Roshidatu Nalo. Xavier and Rosie are good citizens when they say the Pledge of Allegiance and sing our patriotic song every day. They sing with pride and gusto. Xavier is a very considerate and helpful student. He is always willing to lend a hand to help others in need. He cares about the environment and is passionate about keeping the earth clean. Rosie is an excellent helper in the classroom. She is a good citizen when she cleans up without being asked. She takes pride in our school and works to keep the school clean. Thank you, Rosie and Xavier. Arlen Herrera Silva, Tomek Machkut, and Anya Sventova. Arlen brings her homework in every day, follows the classroom rules, and is a good friend. Tomek does not interrupt people, plays fairly with kids, and does his work. Anya follows the classroom rules and works hard to learn English. Thank you, Anya, Tomek, and Arlen. Susanna Bashik and Jacob Vega. Susanna and Jacob are good citizens when they are helpful in the classroom. They are friendly to new students and guests to the classroom. Jacob and Susanna follow the classroom rules and understand what it means to be a good citizen. Thank you, Jacob and Susanna. Charlotte Scher, Joshua Bay, Julius Perez, and Lyric Jones. Charlotte, Joshua, Julius, and Lyric work together in class as a team. Whether work or play, they set a great example for the second graders in class. They cooperate and solve problems peacefully. Mrs. Murphy is very proud of her good citizens. Thank you, Lyric, Julius, Joshua, and Charlotte. Jenny Epperson M. and Maya Ionescu. Jenny is new to Slackwood School. As soon as she joined Mrs. Ramirez's class, she learned the routines and rules. She is polite, friendly, and helpful. She helps to clean up, even if it's not her mess. Maya comes to school each day and is proud of her school and her class. Maya follows the rules. She is a good sport. Maya shows she cares about the environment. Thank you, Maya and Jenny.
Today we have heard about good citizens at Slackwood School. Are grown-ups good citizens too? Yes, they are. We have many good citizens in our school. I would like Mr. Litwin to please come forward to be recognized today for being a good citizen in Slackwood School. Mr. Litwin is the head custodian at Slackwood School. He does so many things every day in his job that it's impossible to tell you about all of them. Many of the things he does are things that you see him do. He helps clean the cafeteria, takes out the trash after lunch, Before lunch, however, he puts down the tables and benches. He helps to carry the milk to the table for students to choose, and he assists with cleaning up and other duties during your lunch. If you eat breakfast at Slackwood School, it's Mr. Litwin who carries the breakfast to each of the stations so that students can select their breakfast in the morning. That is done before you even come to Slackwood School in the morning. Mr. Litwin and Mr. Billy are the first ones to arrive at Slackwood School each day. Mr. Litwin unlocks doors, turns on lights, makes sure things are clean from the day before, picks up trash outside, puts up the American flag in front of our school, and turns on the heat when it's cold. If it's hot outside, he opens windows so the cool morning air can help to make the school cooler. If it's snowing, Mr. Litwin shovels the sidewalks and paths to the school and salts the areas that are icy. If we have an assembly, like today, Mr. Litwin either puts up chairs, if we have a lot of parents who are coming, or puts up the benches for our parents to sit on. If we have a fire drill, Mr. Litwin works with Mr. Billy to pull it off. He turns the alarms on and off. Mr. Litwin carries a lot of things to various places in the school. If it's paper delivered for the copier, he carries it where it needs to go. If a teacher gets furniture that needs to be put together, Mr. Litwin unboxes it and puts it together, and then delivers it to the classroom. Mr. Litwin is a valuable citizen of Slackwood School, and we thank him for all he does to help us all day long. Thank you for your hard work at Slackwood School, Mr. Litwin. I think you know this song. I think Mrs. Damon's been helping you. Please help me. Now we're going to find out who wins our Golden Heart ticket and Emily Eagle.
As you remember, each time we have one of these assemblies, we celebrate one person who's done something special that they normally don't have to do. We expect you all to be good citizens and to be responsible. This month's winner is, where's Aisha? Aisha's in Miss Bierman's class, so Miss Bierman's class will either have an ice cream or pizza party. Okay? And again, Aisha helped a friend when he was looking for something, so that was very, very nice of her. And one of the teachers recognized her for that. So congratulations, Aisha. Congratulations, Miss Bierman's class. Good job. Go ahead back. Each month we recognize one person, okay, but all of you should be doing things nice that we don't have to do, okay? I know on Friday there were lots of nice letters recognizing a lot of people, and that was amazing, okay? So keep up the good work, guys. Great job. Great job. Okay?
And every month we work to be respectful in the hallway, and when you walk with your class in the hallway, you're respectful citizens. The winner of the Emily Eagle Award for respectful hallway behavior this month is Mrs. Finn's class. Can one person from Mrs. Finn's class come? Congratulations, Mrs. Finn.
Parents, thank you for helping your children learn to be good citizens. Thank you for coming today, all family members. Thank you, students, for being good citizens. Continue and keep being good citizens all year long. Have a great day.